But lately they have been coming out with some crazy things and it's a little bit like higgy haga and you're just like, Balenciaga, what's going on? You do have to go down in Balenciaga. This is a chunky trainer already. Okay, I'm just gonna hold one because it's really heavy. They brought out these trainers and I said to myself, Lord, you are good and your mercies endure forever. My faith was restored in a Balenciaga. These were £725 and I know we're in a recession, but the heart won what the heart won and I don't have anything more to add to that. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is all about a Balenciaga unboxing. But before we get into that video, if you're brand new to my channel, why not hit the subscribe button? I do videos on how to be bougie in skincare and how to be bougie in fashion. So like, what are you waiting for? Oh, you subscribed? Okay, let's get into the video. Okay, so Balenciaga is probably one of my favorite brands alongside Saint Laurent, Bottega and Valentino. But lately they have been coming out with some crazy things and it's a little bit like higgy haga and you're just like, Balenciaga, what's going on? But they brought out these trainers and I said to myself, Lord, you are good and your mercies endure forever. My faith was restored in a Balenciaga. So without further ado, let's get into the unboxing because I really hate to drag things on and then I'll tell you story, prices and how I style it. Dun 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so whenever you get a purchase from Balenciaga, you get a little dust bag. I believe it's only one. I do find that really annoying though because there's two shoes and I just feel like, why is there only one dust bag? Some brands do two, some brands do one. It's just a little bit confusing. It's just like, stop being stingy and give us a dust bag. Even McQueen, they've stopped doing dust bags now, which in a good way, I understand they're being ethical, they're saving the planet, but I'm gonna need a dust bag. Sorry, I had to put it down, it's a bit heavy. These are the Balenciaga Triple S in beige. So they came in different colorways, I think, for this season. They came in like a black with a pink clear sole, which I wasn't really feeling. So I saw these and I was just like, oh my god, these are amazing. And I really did like the Off-White Jordan collaboration, but that was just like, who's gonna win that? And that was like a similar tone. When I saw these, I was like, oh my god, I have to get them. I actually got these transferred in because when I wanted them, they were out of stock. And I got them in a 35. I am a 36, which is a UK 3. And I got them in a UK 2 because Balenciaga, you do have to go down. I see so many people buying their size and it's like, that ain't really your size. You do have to go down in Balenciaga. This is a chunky trainer already. Okay, I'm just gonna hold one because it's really heavy. It's already a chunky trainer and it's a little bit oversized, so you do need to take a size down. I just love it, and it has the Balenciaga logo here, which is in stitching. I found these really easy to clean, although I haven't really cleaned them, so I don't know where I'm going with that story, but I just cleaned them with a wet wipe and I actually used protectant spray on them just to make sure that they would be okay. I really could have gone with a normal Triple S, but I really love the clear sole and I just think they're perfect. I previously did own a pair of Triple S's. I owned the white, black and pink version and I actually bought them years ago, like when they first came out. So I'm sure I bought them for £4.95. I must have bought them for £4.95 and they've gone up significantly through the years. They're just going up even more. These were £725 and I know we're in a recession, but the heart won what the heart won and I don't have anything more to add to that. But this is just such a cute colour, isn't it? I still can't get over that they've gone up so much in price. But yeah, what do you guys think of them? Do you think the trend is dying out? Do you think that I should have got these? What's your thoughts? Comment below. Have you purchased a pair yourself? I will still try and see if they're in stock because I did buy these from Selfridges and my size was completely sold out, so I had to like pre-order them. I think they've got full size range back in now. I'll double check and see if you can order them online, but I definitely recommend going a size down in these and don't make the mistake of getting your size. So let's see how I styled it, guys. So I styled these gorgeous sneakers with my faux leather Zara pants, my Valentino micro rockstud spike calfskin bag in lime for a little bit of a pop, and then I found this Kate sweater, which actually really isn't Kate, it's a dupe. But guys, I saw the prices for this sweater and I was like, hell no. But yeah, like, what do you think of the look? I was going out with some of my friends and I wanted to be super cute. Do you like this look or not? Alrighty, I think that's about it. I've told you the price, where I got them from, sizing, how to protect them. I don't know what else you want from me, guys. So I guess that's all. But if you like this video, want to give it a thumbs up. If you think anyone could benefit from this video, I'll be happy for you to share this video, want to share it. As always, you can follow me on my social media platforms. I'll leave the links down below. I'll also leave the links down below of where you can purchase these Triple S's from, if I can find a link, because you know they sell out fast. But I guess I'll see you in another video. And remember to always stay, what guys? Bougie.